Wow, look at you guys. Hi, honey. Okay, that was nice, Emily. Hey, you're driving pretty good. You're driving so good. Wow, boom. What happened? Uh-oh, can you give Jakey a kiss, Em? Em, can you give Jakey a kiss? Can you give him a kiss? Oh, you're stuck?
Yeah.
You stuck? I turn you around. Can you give Jakey a kiss again? Hi. Wanna go again? Emily, can you push? Push. Wow.